Hello guys, welcome to the Michelo channel. Today we are going to make this amazing and delicious Rafaello cheesecake with the easy recipe. At the first, we will boil the butter. We need here 65 gram of butter. Here we need 105 gram of biscuit. We need dry biscuits and 15 gram of coconut powder and 12 and a half gram of sugar. We will mix them everything together to make powder, biscuit powder. We will mix it until we get a soft powder. Now we will put in the some bowl. We will mix it with our butter. This is the crust for the cheesecake. We will mix it little with the spoon, some spoon, and after we will mix it with the hand to get a perfectly mix. Here I'm using the 17 centimeters of model. We'll put oil paper and some foil. We'll put first foil, oil paper after our model, and we will fix it everything together. Same this one. Now we will put the biscuits in the model. We'll put all the biscuit in the model and we will push it. Don't push it hard. Push it with the little. We will push to get everything same size. You can push it with the some spoon. Don't push it very hard. We will push slowly. And we will bake it 8 minutes with the 175 degrees or 180 degrees. Now, for the cheese layer, we need 400 gram of cream cheese. We will mix it. We will mix everything with the first speed. We will mix the cheese. After we will add 140 gram sugar to in the 2 or 3 times. We will add slowly because we should to get everything perfectly mixed. See the temperature now is 13. Now we will add a 35% of 35% of whipping cream or cooking cream. You can use it cooking cream. We will mix it again and we will add slowly in the 2 or 3 times. Here we have 50 gram of white chocolate. We made Ben Mori and we melt it and we will add into the mixture. Again, we will mix it. Every time we will mix 1 to 2 minutes. Now we have here two large eggs, and we will mix it again. We will add slowly. We will add our mixture in the another bowl. Here we will add 8 gram of flour. We will mix it with some mixer or whisk. In the separate bowl, we have 20 gram of coconut powder. We will add our mixture in the another bowl, slowly. And after we mixed everything together, we will add in the big bowl. Because if we added the coconut powder directly, it will become ball, and it's not good for our cheesecake. Now we will add in the big bowl. We will mix it with some whisk. And we can blend here. We can blend it because everything they will come mix and nice texture. This is the baked crust. We bake it 8 minutes in the 180 centigrades. We will add our mixture in the model. Here we should shake it, little shake our model. Now we will add 1 centimeters of hot water. 1 centimeters. And we will bake our cheesecake in one hours 40 minutes to 1 hours with the 190 to 210 centigrades. Here we have whipping cream. We will mix it until we get a hard whipping cream for the designing. This is the whipping cream. When we flip the bowl, it will not drop anything. We'll put in the some whipping bag. We have here 2 vaping bag. I'm using 2 vaping bag, and we can use like this. This is our cheesecake. When we bake, we put in the room temperature to get everything cool, and we will put in the refrigerator for 8 hours to 1 day. Now we will heat with some heater or some torch, and we can open it. Now we will open. This is our amazing cheesecake. Now we can make a design. Any design you like it, you can make. And for the designing, I'm using the Rafaello chocolate with the blueberries. I hope you make it and you love this video. Don't forget like, subscribe, and we will do the best together. This is amazing and so delicious and so soft Raffaello cheesecake. If you like coconut, you should to do make this amazing cheesecake. This is our cheesecake. Now for cutting, we will heat the knife with the some heater, and we can cut the cheesecake. And every time we should to clear the knife with the some tissue or some towel. We will now we will cut it again. This is our amazing and soft cheesecake. So delicious. Don't forget like and subscribe.